with the playground, quite nice. The OC massage chair here. Next. Taiwan snacks here. Fully French roast chicken. Today from Singapore, I'm known at Woodlands, Causeway Point Mall. It's a vibrant neighborhood mall, so next expo, the nearest MRT metro station will be Woodlands. MRT along the north-south line. The first impression is there are so many people going in and out. I think a few thousand people going in and out every hour. And level 7, the tallest floor of the Causeway Point, there's the Kopitiam food court. There's an arcade dump zone right beside the food court here. Look at that. There's a big playground here for the kids next to the food court. Maybe the playground, quite nice. And level 5 now, there's a Teo Heng KTV studio and 101 hair consultant, as well as a Hua language center, travel agencies, and some kind of shop in front. At level 5 now, a lot of restaurants here. The first is the Hunan, Shenzhen Hunan. Then with the busiest Hong Kong kitchen, busiest ramen, Xiaolong Bao. It's quite a privacy dining right here. Ichiban Bushi. And look at that, the Wang Lu hot pot and Tian Xiao. Oh man. Wang Lu hot pot. Seriously, I've not tried this Wang Lu hot pot before. Look at this, the whole level 5 is dedicated entirely to the dining experience at restaurants. I think a few hundred diners are eating right now. The time is like 8:20 p.m. on a Friday evening, Friday night I mean. On the left side there's sushi roll, and right side the Bali Thai. Sushi roll looks quite nice, but the light a bit bright. And some snacks sold here. Actually, I'm looking for the pineapple tarts. Not sure if they sell this. I don't think so. But there's a travel agency here. A salon for ladies. Guess what? There's a KTV, Teo Heng KTV here. And a Hua language center. Raffles Medical. There's courts as well. There's your aesthetic clinic and some of the shops over there. Wow, there's a flower shop in front. A facial shop called K-Skin. This is a Challenger. I came across this shop selling branded handbags. Look at the coach. The prices are stated. This is 390. But just now I saw this 1850. And there's a 950 here. Wow, look at this. Plush toys. Mixed with the flowers, 109 melody. And the plush add-on 52.90. Doraemon. Just amazing. SK3 shop. The PCN shop special. Maybe plush toys. Nice stuff here. Inside Kitty Palace right now, a lot of toys. It just seems like closest. And then level 2 now. And there's a nice Swenson restaurant here. And some other Japanese restaurant, Aburi, Tokyo Sukudo, Teppanyaki. We have the weekday lunch sets here. Vivian and Xia and Metro. But the Metro demand is so popular. I mean, it's kind of similar logo and red color white. The Ocean massage chair here. The Christmas tree. Check the rest. Yoshinoya, North Burger, Texas chicken. Men's cut Vincent watch. Oh, I think the ice cream here. There's a nice shop here for the basic cash. These are the gold and even handbags. Money next. Body shop. Bath and body waste. Sketches. Wow, cosmetic and stuff. Some Taiwan snacks here. Famous Amos Buggy Donuts. Wow. Nippon Home, come here and buy some household stuff like trolley or even the luggages. Cold French roast chicken. Daddy friends. Hi Star Mania. So Causeway Point is like more of a dining paradise than shopping. Because I see so many restaurants from level 7, the Canteen Kopitiam, to level 4, the Kopitiam. I mean level 4 Food Republic, and then some mini cafes at level 3 and level 2, and then now the basement, yeah. Even the chicken rice, the Yakun. Wow. RROOLL. Yongbaru Sweetway. Michelin. I didn't know there's a Tender Fresh Express here. Basically, it's like you buy the fried chicken, spring chicken. I think this reasonable price because at some hawker center they sell at 950 cents or even $10 for their roasted steamed chicken. And guess what? There's a fair price finance here, so market. Eat cool. Oh, look at the baby queue. For this bakery right here. And there's a wall here at the corner. And this shop, I think is some kind of TCM shop. They sell some herbal tea. Subscribe now if you enjoyed the video and give a like so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much.